Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Solana video update. Now we're looking for Solana. Yesterday we saw Solana coming down to 10.9, very close to the target of $10. We were just a little bit short left down there, and this still looks very shady to me, and I don't really think right now that Solana is in the mode to continue higher. I'm going to tell you why, but first, if anyone is interested in joining the signals, there's only like 6-7 days left to close the signals, so do come out, join the Discord. The link is in the description of the video. Click on the announcements, check out this video on agreement on how to join, and you can join that for 30 days, $10, super cheap. Now at the moment, Solana right now, I want to show you one level that is really important to talk about right now. Now this $10 is not invalidated just yet, let me just tell you that. And what I want to do is remove some of these drawings a little bit, just this one, that one, this one as well, and I want to go back to you to a time where it's still important. Now first of all, I want to give you a refresher and a memory. Let's go back into the 4-hour time frame, okay? And we are going to go down in waveforms, by the way, so let me show you what I'm trying to talk about. So move to the downside, came up here, make that flag, break out of the flag, and I can pretty much just say that this is looking to go from there to there, and you do have a technical target to that $6. See, $6 is something that we still are waiting for because of that number one flag. Now number two is to go back to the daily, and let me just show you what happens again and again, and I think it's just the repetition of that. So when you did that, on the daily time frame, you made those 3 red candles, which are continuation to go lower, make a small little pump, make another 3 red candles and continue lower. Now what happened here is that when you did that, you came down like this and you lost that level of support, and I told you back in the days that I do expect a little bit of a pump from $12-11 all the way back to $15, and we did that because that was your support there. You lost support, you came back and back tested this as resistance, and right now you're not doing anything different than that. So that actually is another level of support right here. So today a little bit of pump, tomorrow maybe another pump back up to 13.68, get rejected, and then finally come all the way down to $10. So now this is nothing more than just support and resistance. Whatever was support is now being back tested as resistance, and these are known as bearish back test all in all. Now to pause this back test, however, you need to get above them and close above them and hold them as retest, come above them again, hold them as retest, and then you don't have anything to negative to talk about. But at the moment, if this is a back test that's going to fail, as a matter of fact, if I bring in the EMAs, you can see that the EMA will probably slip down, the 10 EMA come down, and you have 2 huge mega resistance right there to tackle. And that's pretty much it for this Solana video update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.